like, comment, and share. My family, we're all here to support each other.
Drug dealing girl fine. Hit her when I wanna, give me so high. Her BB ting, I roll her till she's so right. She know what she wanna, give me so light.
What's up guys, welcome back. This is a makeup tutorial. As you've seen, I've already done my brows off camera, so I'm going to get straight into the makeup look. I'm using my Pro concealer palette to prime my eyelids for the eyeshadow look, and I'm making sure to blend it out evenly, blend it out well. I'm going in with my beauty sponge and I'm just wetting it with my setting spray so I'm blending that out. And I'm using my Deluxe Upper finishing powder to set the concealer on my eyelids. This is a random eyeshadow, guys. I just found it lying underneath piles of my makeup eyeshadow palette, and I just decided to try it out because I really wanted to use the brown shade here. So yeah, I'm using that as my crease color. Going into my concealer palette again to create the cut crease look, and I decided to do one eye off camera so I know what I'm working with and what I want to do. So we're going straight into the other eye. I'm using that concealer, like I said, to create a cut crease on my eyelid. Because I'm working with it a bright color, and I also want to add a little bit of shimmer, so I just started to set that concealer so that the eyeshadow color will pop on my eyes. So I'm going in with my Fleur Roberts eyeshadow trio palette, and I'm just putting on the light blue shade in the palette on my cut crease. that we're done with the eye, we're going straight into face. I'm using my Tyler liquid foundation. It's a bit lighter than my skin tone right now. You guys will see later on the video because I got a little bit darker, so I just blended that out pretty well. I think I blended that out well. So this look to be like super dramatic, but then I don't want my dark circles under my eye to like be shown on the makeup, so I just used my concealer again to cover it up. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be looking on fleek, guys. guys so much for watching. I hope you love this video. Give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.